Welcome to Blue Nourish. Today I am going to show you a traditional gut-friendly fermented drink called Ambali, made with Ragi or finger millet. And Ambali is a beverage packed with nutrients and probiotics. I use this brand which is easily available in Singapore. You can use your preferred brand. Or you can use the raw ragi, just soak it and you can blend it. Add 100 grams ragi flour into a bowl and gradually pour into 100 grams of filtered water, stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. After mixing well, leave this in room temperature for around 10 minutes. And then take a saucepan and add some water and boil, and then add the slurry mixture inside. Stirring continuously and cook on medium heat for at least 10 minutes until the mixture thickens and becomes glossy. So this will ensure the ragi is well cooked, and once it's thick, I'll switch off the gas and I will wait for the mixture to cool down fully. The ragi mixture has cooled to room temperature. And now I am going to use an earthen pot to ferment the ragi. So I am using here 900 ml filtered water, and now I will make the ragi mixture into a small ball and I will put inside the water, and you can see that it's not getting dissolved immediately. It will take some time, and this way I will leave it for fermentation overnight. Once you are done, cover the pot with the lid so that not much oxygen can go in. Next day you will see lots of bubbles. This is the sign of fermentation, and this drink is very easy to make. So now I just need to add a few seasoning and then the drink will be ready. So before that I'm going to add 100 grams curd or yogurt, and then I'm going to add some spices and herbs. To ensure there is no lump, I'm using this. You can also use your hand, just make sure it's clean. And now once the mixture is smooth, I'm going to add salt as per the taste. Since I don't have the Himalayan salt right now, I'm using normal salt. And on top of that, I'm going to use this kefir lime leaf. This will give you a very nice aroma. And chopped onion, chopped coriander leaves, grated ginger, grated curry leaves, and little bit green chilies. In this you can use your favorite spices, but these are the traditional ones generally we add. So once mix it well, then you are done. If you don't have the earthen pot, it's okay, nothing to worry. You can use the ceramic or you can use the steel even. And once mix up everything nicely, then the drink is ready. Serve chilled. Optionally, strain for a smoother drink. Ambali is rich in calcium, iron, fiber and probiotics. A true nourishing drink. If you enjoy this brew, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Blue Nourish. Leave a comment below if you try this recipe or have a variation from your region. Drink well, live well, brew nourish.